Hi everyone, this is Heidi Reams with Floyd County Conservation, and today I'm going to show you how to make some of the bird feeders and bird houses that we have available in our kits. So in each kit is going to be all of the pieces that you need in order to make your birdhouse, as well as the instructions and what sizes those pieces are in case you'd like to make another one. And then on the back side is going to be some information as to what kind of birds are going to use your birdhouse and where would be the best place to put your birdhouse up in your yard. To identify the pieces that you're going to put together, the smallest piece is going to be the bottom. Obviously, this is going to be the front. The sides and the roof are very similar in size, so if you stack them up, the sides are going to be slightly smaller than the roof piece. And then the largest piece is the back. And it is recommended to pre-drill before assembling. So let's start. Now you're not going to want to totally attach and screw the other side on because this is going to be the door, so it's actually going to hinge in order to be able to clean out your birdhouse every year. As you're putting the back on your birdhouse, you want to leave a little extra along the bottom and the top of your house because this is going to be how you're going to attach the house to a fence or to a post. Is you can actually screw through this back piece. So as we're ready to attach the final side or the door, you're going to want to keep it down a little bit with a little bit of a gap at the top. This is going to allow the door to pivot up. The screws that you're going to put on the front and the back, you're going to want to keep loose so it'll allow the door to move. And then down at the bottom here, it's best to drill a hole and place a nail in it. And that's basically the lock, which will keep the door shut when the birds are nesting in there, but you can easily pull it out and pivot it up to clean it out. And here's our finished Wren house. As you can see, there's a little gap at the top, and it allows me to open the door to be able to access it to clean it out, and then close it up, and I'll just add a nail in here in order to secure it. If you'd like to paint them to match your house or stain them to match your yard, or even be a little artistic, the birds won't mind. I look forward to driving around Floyd County and seeing all of these birdhouses out, and I'm sure that the birds are going to appreciate them too. Have fun doing it.